Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 5 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 5 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter fractions and mixed numbers. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Okay, here I'm on grade 5 math. Chapter we're on right now is fractions and mixed numbers. Let's just start with the that is, so let's just start with the lesson. Compare each fraction to the benchmark. So basically, the benchmark is 1. You have to compare both the fractions with 1 6 by 4 and 6 by 8. 6 by 4. Let's just compare 6 by 4 to benchmark 1. 6 by 4 is greater than 1. How? You have the numerator 6 and denominator 4. Whenever the numerator is greater than denominator, that means the fraction is greater than 1. You can see the shaded area. This is 1. This is 6 by 4. So 6 by 4 is greater than 1, right? Now look at the other one, that is 6 by 8 to 1. 6 by 8 is less than 1. You can compare it to 1. You can see here you have 6 of them are colored, 2 of them are not colored, but 1 is complete colored. So 6 by 8 is less than 1. That means 6 by 4 is greater than 1. 6 by 4 is greater than 1 and 6 by 8 is less than 1. So 6 by 4 is greater than 6 by 8 because 6 by 4 is greater than 1. So 6 by 4 is greater than 6 by 8. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Compare each fraction to the benchmark 6 by 8 to 1 by 2 and 1 by 5 to 1 by 2. So let's just compare 6 by 8 to half, right? So let's just this is 1 by 2, right? And this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Okay. The one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right now, 6 of them are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 I have to make. And then 6. Let me draw this again. Okay, this is 1 by 2, right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 of them are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6 by 8. So you can see 6 by 8 is greater than half, right? Now look at the second one, 1 by 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One of them is colored. That is 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 is less than half, right? If you compare 6 by 8 and 1 by 5, so 6 by 8 is greater than 1 by 5. Got it? Very good. Option number 1 is the correct option. 6 by 8 is greater than half, 1 by 5 is less than half, and 6 by 8 is greater than 1/5. Option number 1 is the correct option. Very good. So compare each fraction to benchmark. 3 by 8 is less than half. The easiest way to compare 8, the half of 8 is 4, right? And 3 is smaller than 4. That means 3 by 8 is less than half. And 5 by 5 means 1. 1 is greater than 1 by 2. 1 is greater than 1 by 2. So 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 5. So 3 by 8 is less than half, less than greater than. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option. Compare each fraction to benchmark. 3 by 2. The numerator is greater than denominator. 3 by 2, numerator is greater than denominator. So 3 by 2 is greater than 1. 3 by 8 is less than 1. 3 by 2 is greater than 3 by 8. 3 by 2 is greater than 3 by 8. Option number 1 is the correct option. Greater, less, and greater. Option number 1 is the correct option. Compare each fraction to the benchmark. 3 by 2. 3 numerator is greater than denominator, right? That means 3 by 2 is greater than 1. 2 by 6 is less than 1. Why? Because here you have 6. The half of 6 is 3 and 2 is even smaller than the half of 6, right? So that means 2 by 6 is less than 1. So if 3 by 2 is greater than 1, then 3 by 2 is also greater than 2 by 6. Got it? Option number 1 is the correct option. Compare each fraction to benchmark. 10 by 8. Again, the numerator is greater than denominator, right? So 10 by 8 is greater than 1. 10 by 8 is greater than 1. And 1 over 4, just 4 out of 1 portion is colored. That is obviously less than 1. So then 10 by 8 is greater than 1 by 4. 10 by 8 is option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is compare fractions and mixed numbers. Compare fractions and mixed numbers. Which number is greater than the one shown? First, let's just see which number it is, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six of the portions are all colored. So 6 is the whole number. 1 is colored out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 whole 1 by 6, right? Now you have to compare this 6 whole 1 by 6 to all of them. This is exactly equal to 6 whole 1 by 6, isn't it? So they are exactly equal. Leave this. 5 whole, look at just the whole numbers. 5 whole 2 by 5 is less than 6, so skip this. We need to find that is greater than the one shown. 6. 6 and 6 are exactly equal. Now look at their fractional part, 3 by 6. So 3 is greater than 1, that means 6 whole 3 by 6 is the one that is greater than 6 whole 1 by 6. You have to basically see the one that is shown is greater than the given one. You have to compare them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They all have all the patients that are colored, right? That is 6. And then out of the last one, you have only one portion is colored, and that is 6 whole 1 by 6. So the correct option is 6 whole 3 by 6. Now let's just start with the test questions. Which number is less than the one shown? So just look at the one that is shown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of them are colored, so that would be a whole number. And here only one portion is colored out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is 6 whole 1 by 6. Got it? Now you have to compare, you need to find the one that is less than 6 whole 1 by 6. So look at their whole number 6 and 6. Their whole numbers are equal. Skip them, right? Now look at the second one 7. 7 is greater than 6, leave it. We need to find the number that is less than 6 whole 1 by 6. Now the next one is again 6, they are equal, leave it. 5 is less than 6. So that means 5 whole 1 by 6 is less than, that is 6 whole 1 by 6 is only 5 whole 1 by 6 is less than 6 whole 1 by 6. Which number is less than the one shown? We need to find the less. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 whole 7 over 9. We need to find the one that is smaller than 3 whole 7 over 9. So 3 wholes, start with the first one. We need to find the least. 3 and 3 is equal. Look at their whole number, 4 by 9. 3 whole 4 over 9 is less than 3 whole 7 over 9. The correct option is 3 whole 4 by 9. Which number is less than the one shown? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Nine of them are 9 is the whole number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. That is 9 whole 3 by 8. We need to find the one that is less than 9 whole 3 by 8. So which number is it? So we need to find the one that is less than 9 whole 3 by 8. So the correct option is 9 whole 1 by 8. 9 whole 5 by 8 is greater than 9 whole 3 by 8. 9 whole 3 by 8 is equal to 9 whole 3 by 8. And 9 whole 3 by 6. 6 by 8 is also greater. So the correct option is 9 whole 1 by 8. Which number is greater than the one shown? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 whole 1 over 6. So that is 6 whole 1 by 6. We need to find the one that is greater than 6 whole 1 by 6. So which is the correct option? That means it is 6 whole 3 by 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which number is greater than the one shown? One, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 whole 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 whole 1 by 5. We need to find the one that is greater than 5 whole 1 by 5. So which number is it? So start with the first one, 5 whole 3 by 5. Their whole numbers are exactly equal. Look at their fractional part. 1 by 5 is greater than 3 by 5. The correct option is 5 whole 3 by 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Put put fractions in order. Put these fractions from greatest to least. 4 by 9, 7 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9 and 7 by 9. We need to write them down greatest to least. 7 by 9 is the greatest one because most of the portion is colored in 7 over 9. Then we have 5 over 9 because 5 over 9 has more portion colored than 4 over 9. And then the last one is 4 by 9. So 7 over 9, 5 over 9, and 4 over 9. Let's just start with the test questions. Put these fractions in order from least to greatest. 4 over 11, 4 over 9, 4 over 10. Let's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11. Just 4 of them are colored. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 out of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. So 4 of them are colored. Then 4 out of 10. So we need to find which is the greatest. The greatest one is 4 out of 11 because 11 has the greatest denominator. That means the most portion they have, but the less portion is colored. Then you have 4 over 10, and then you have 4 over 9 because 9 has the less portion and most portion. 4 is colored. Look at their denominators. That is the common thing you need to understand. 11 has the most portion, but only 4 are colored. Got it? So 4 over 11 is the greatest one. Then 4 over 10. The same figure has 10 portion, but 4 are colored. The least one is 4 by 9. 4 by 11 is the greatest. So 4 by 11, 4 by 10, and 4 by 9. Option number 2 is the correct option. Put these orders in put these fractions in order from greatest to least. We need to arrange them from greatest to least. Now they have the same portions. All the figures have 9 portions, right? So the least one is 7. The least one is, no, we need to arrange them from greatest to least. That is 7 over 9. The most portion are colored. So 7 over 9, then 6 by 9, then 3 by 9, and 1 by 9. The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option. Put these fractions in order from greatest to least. So let's just arrange them from greatest to least. 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10 means 9 out of 10 has the most portion colored. 9 out of 10, 8 out of 10 and 1 out of 10 because they have same portions. So the one that has the most portion colored is the greatest one. So 9 by 10, 8 by 10 and 1 by 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Put these fractions in order from greatest to least. That is 4 by 5, 4 by 7, 4 by 9 and 4 by 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 5 math. Chapter we were working on is fractions and mixed numbers. The lessons we have covered today are fractions and mixed numbers. Put fractions in order. So please make sure before the next session for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions?